Dear children, in the previous video I explained the grammar part preposition. Today I will explain the next grammar part which will be asked in your question paper, that is combining the sentences without using but, and, or, so. What is a combining sentences? In combining sentences, you have to combine two given sentences into one without using but, and, or, so. So, but, and, or, so are the coordinating conjunctions. We use coordinating conjunction to combine the sentences which are of the same importance, two independent sentences which are used to give equal emphasis to a pair of main clauses. We can combine such two simple sentences together with a comma and a coordinating conjunctions to make one compound sentence. We join two independent clause that could stand alone as a sentence by using a few coordinating conjunctions. The coordinating conjunctions are commonly called fanboys. What does it mean? F stands for, A stands for and, N stands for nor, B stands for but, O stands for or, Y stands for yet, S stands for so. So out of these 7 conjunctions, according to the question, you are not supposed to use 3. They are but, and, so. So we have 4 more coordinating conjunctions. Today I will explain using of those 4 conjunctions, coordinating conjunctions in the combining sentences exercise. Those 4 are for, nor, or, yet. When to use and what does this 4 coordinating conjunction mean? So let's see. For, when do you use? I give you the meaning of that using of for and send with an example. Number 1, for. For is used if the sentences carry any result or causation. Causation means reason. There you use for. One example I give for. I drank some water. Full stop. I was thirsty. Full stop. So there are 2 sentences. Both the sentences can stand or give independent meaning. There you can use this coordinating conjunction to combine these 2 sentences into one. So what you should write in the answer? I drank some water, comma, for I was thirsty. Remember the main point. Whenever you use coordinating conjunctions, you should use comma before you put the coordinating conjunctions. I read the sentence again. I drank some water, comma, for I was thirsty. And then you will put the full stop because you have made 2 sentences into one sentence. So in your combining sentences, you should use that full stop without fail. And the second point, nor. When do you use nor? If the sentences carry an additional negative idea. The first sentence is negative, and also the second sentence will carry the additional negative idea. There you will use nor. I give an example. You can understand better. Jennifer does not like to swim. Full stop. She does not enjoy cycling. Full stop. There are two sentences, and both the sentences carry negative ideas. And when you combine the negative ideas with one another, there you use nor. The answer I read: Jennifer does not like to swim, comma, nor does she enjoy cycling. Nor carries the meaning of negative. Jennifer does not like to swim, comma, nor does she enjoy cycling. So the second sentence carry not gives the negative idea. As you are using nor, you should not use the negative in the second sentence. Now, the third, or. When do you use or? What does it mean? It means reflects an additional point of view. When the sentence reflects an additional point of view, additional to the first sentence, there you use or. I give an example. I am allergic. I may consider your plan. Full stop. I may disregard it. The answer: I may consider your plan, comma, or I may disregard it. So additional idea is there in the second sentence. When you are combining the other sentence with the other two sentences, there you use or. Now the fourth one, yet. When do you use yet? Yet is used if the sentences carry contrast expression. It's like equal to but you cannot use but, you can use the yet. So yet you can use when the sentences carry any contrast expression. Contrast means opposite expression. The sentence: I am allergic to cats. Full stop. I have 3 of them. The first sentence gives allergic to cats. Even then, that means contrast to that. For meaning of that, the second sentence carries I have 3 of them. There you use yet over there. I am, answer I am reading, I am allergic to cats, comma, yet I have 3 of them. At the end of the sentence, you should put full stop. And before you use the coordinating conjunction, you should use comma. These two should be mentioned in your answer. And when you are using any coordinating conjunctions to combine the sentences, there you should keep these 2 points in your mind. Before you use the coordinating conjunction, you should put comma, and after combining the sentences, you will put full stop, and you remove one full stop from 2 sentences, and you will combine it. And this is using coordinating conjunctions. And we can combine the sentences by using some more conjunctions, and where to use and when to use. What are the other conjunctions you can use? I'll teach in the next lesson.